A lot of you are talking about Amy Coney Barrett. She is back in the hot seat for another day of tough questions. A moment that has people talking is her answer when she was asked if she can be impartial about Obamacare.
And I think, Senator Durbin, there's actually something you and I agree on here. Judicial activism is bad from either side. And no matter what somebody's policy preferences are about the ACA, I completely agree with you. They shouldn't be trying to undermine the policy that Congress enacted.
And another buzzworthy moment, can a president pardon themselves? That's a question a lot of you have been asking. Here's how she answered it.
Senator Leahy, so far as I know, that question has never been litigated. That question has never arisen. That question may or may not arise, but it's one that calls for a legal analysis of what the scope of the pardon power is.
She dodged that question. What do you make of that?
I mean, that's what a good lawyer does, is dodge questions. I just, I'm going to pull this away from, everything we're talking about, and just talking about human beings. Erica, can somebody be impartial? I don't know if that's possible. If you've heard of something, you have a judgment on it, even if it's just ice cream. It's either you like it or you don't, or you've never heard of it, and then you can't speak on it, and then you shouldn't be at this office if you've never heard of some of these cases. So I don't know if you could even ask somebody if they could be impartial, because I don't know. I think I have an opinion on everything.
You would have to be. Sorry to jump in, Erica, but you would have to be. Every single person that's appointed to that highest court, no matter what their ideologies are, they have to follow the precedent and they have to be impartial. And we're going to have to take their word on it, whether they're liberal or whether they're conservative. Erica, am I wrong on this? You would hope that they would be impartial. That's the whole point.
Well, implicit bias is something that we all suffer from. It's just ingrained in who we are as humans. When you are someone who is a person of law, you are expected to check your implicit bias at the door. We just haven't seen a ton of examples of that in the, in the past few years.